All right, so we installed the ECOFLOW system. It's disconnected right now. I'm in the middle of installing it. But, so you have a shore power outlet. Let me walk over here to the outside of the van. Everybody knows what they look like, but just to refresh you. Okay, so you can plug in shore power. This ECOFLOW system also has the capability of the smart generator, but there's no shore power style connector for the that I found anyhow. Now maybe I'm wrong, that I found for a shore power style smart generator hookup. So what I did was I bought these two items. Try to get a good picture of it. There, that's a little bit better. Okay, so the bottom one, that the EFA part number, all you get is this small connector. So it's a double female plug to make like an extension cord. So what I did was I took the guts out of this 50 amp shore power connector. I have it just super glued in right now, but I'm going to take the other end of it, put it back on, but then I'm going to fill it with a plastic epoxy to kind of hold everything in place. I don't want it ever to pop out. But then look at, it's like two different engineers worked on this system. Look at how nice and sleek this all looks until you get to there. Looks like a tumor. So ECOFLOW, if you could come up with something that looks a little nicer and a shore power hookup, because guess what? If you're using your ECOFLOW generator, your smart generator, it's probably not nice weather outside. And everything I've seen, everybody's sunny day with their ECOFLOW generator outside. So that's what I came up with. That's what I'm working with. So please, if you're watching, fix it.